Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Anna here. I'm going to show you guys how I achieve my wash and go. It works for me. So yeah, this is the result of my wash and go. I hope you guys enjoy the video. I hope you guys watch this video until the end, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe guys, subscribe and enjoy. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my wash and go. Finally. So basically what we have going on right now is that I just got out the shower and my hair is in 4 sections and my hair is still pretty wet. So let me just tell you what I did in the shower. When I get in the shower to wash my hair, I section my hair into 4s, and then while I'm co-washing my hair, I wash my hair with a conditioner, which I will insert a picture here. Once I have the conditioner in my hair, I detangle my hair section by section, and then I rinse my hair. But when I rinse my hair, I rinse out about 60% of the conditioner and I leave the rest in my hair. So let's get started. So I'm going to show you guys how I capture my curls. I'm not saying it's going to work for you, but this is what works for me. If you want to capture your curls, you have to do it on damp hair. You have to do it on wet hair. Your hair has to be wet. I never use a towel on my hair, and everyone knows that I don't use a towel on my hair. If I go to the salon and I say towel, I just why are you using a towel? Because if you use a towel on your hair, it just freezes your hair. Wet hair shapes your hair. To capture that curl pattern, you have to use some type of cream or leave-in conditioner, whatever. So let's get started. So I'm gonna unravel this part and just show you guys how it looks. And the reason why I leave the conditioner in my hair, some of it, is because it gives me that slip. So this is my hair. Hope you guys can see. But yeah, I have 2 textures. Like right here, my hair is just really loose, and then as I go further up, it gets tight. So yeah. So this is what we have. This is my favorite. Guys, I love this product. I love this product so much, and I just love it. It works for me. I just love it. Which is As I Am. Guys, my nails look so ratchet, but forgive me, they really look so bad. But yeah, this is the leave-in conditioner by As I Am. I'm not even sure how to. Anyway, so I'm gonna take, if you feel like your hair is not that wet, you can always spray it. I always have a spray bottle nearby. As you guys know, aloe vera mixture, which you could use to wet your hair a bit. Oh jeez. If you feel like it's not that wet, but yeah, this is enough for me. I'm good with this, guys. Now let me spray a bit more. You can always feel if your hair needs water. Yeah, that's the sign. Cause you want it to drip. You need your hair to be extremely wet. So there we go. Going in with my As I Am. So this is how much I use in this section. And then I rake my hair. So let me just show you guys. Do you guys just see that? Come on. Curls come through. There we go. This is what I do. moving on to the next section. I'm gonna take a half of this because this is where my hair is really tight. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna rake this just so that my hair can be prepared. Once that's done, go in with your, and this is how much. There we go. Let me just next section. So now we're moving on to the next section. So now I'm going to unravel the next section and just sort of rake it. Hey guys, do you see that? Like, look at this, and then look at this. Yeah, no comment. Just take that. You pour a bit more. That's enough, and then so this is how we're looking when my hair is pretty much damp. My hair is still damp. So what I like to do after I've just applied the leave-in cream, I like to shake my hair, but it's better to do it when you're in the shower. So this whole process I do in the shower. I'm just showing you guys how I do it, but this whole process I do it in the shower. I apply the leave-in in the shower, I shake my hair in the shower, and yeah, once I'm ready, I come out. So let me just give you guys a closer look. Once I'm done, I like to apply oil, and this is what I'm using. Jamaican black castor oil. So yeah, I think I've had this for almost 2 years actually, like this whole bottle. Sometimes I use oil, sometimes I don't, but I definitely use oils for my wash and goes. So yeah, so I'm gonna apply, I don't mind going like going heavy-handed on my oil, so let me just show you guys how much I apply. Okay, I'm gonna put some of that back. Yeah. That's how much I have. So I like to do this. And then once I'm done, I like to sort of just wipe my hands. Wipe the oil with my edges. And there we go. So, oh gosh. So now I'm gonna blow dry my hair. I'm gonna show you guys how I blow dry my hair, and yeah, guys, it's really that simple. So let me go get my hair dryer and let's do this. So this is the hair dryer that I'm using, Safeway, just an ordinary hair dryer. So yeah, guys, like that's it. This is how I achieved my fro.